I'll probably try Lucid for the prop firm. I just gotta figure it. I was looking at it. It seems pretty good. I just was hoping. Is there any like hidden surprises I should know about in your estimation or
No
differences?
hidden surprises that I know about with Lucid.
Yeah, I did like I mean, I just didn't know if they have any rules that are kind of unto themselves. I mean, it looked pretty, pretty on the level. Like, I didn't see any differences. Basically, what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, no, it's pretty similar to Tradeify when it comes to like the rule stuff. But
Yeah,
like for them, the micro scalping, they have a 5 second instead of the 10-second like Tradeify.
yeah,
So they're pretty close and similar. I feel like they're trying to mirror each other as best
yeah,
as they
yeah.
can without copying each other. Um, but their accounts are a little bit cheaper, everything like that to get as well. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Rob.
Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
hey, so the micro scalp, like, you can't have like over 40% or something like that.
Morning,
Yeah,
morning,
you
guys.
can't have
Hey,
more than 50. It's like 50%. You can't have
okay,
50% of your profits coming from micro scalp. More than
got it.
50% from micro scalping.
Cool.
Good morning, G. Good morning, Jose.
Morning, morning.
Dr. G.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good.
I'm
All
just
right.
ready for market open. I'm just ready for 9:45. That's all I'm ready for right now. I'm ready for 9:45 at this point.
I'm
Rules,
ready.
rules,
Goodness.
rules. Hey, they're there to help us become better traders, and they're there also to protect the prop firm so they don't have to pay as
I think it's more the second one. They don't give a crap about it. They want better traders. They want to. They're like the casino is not looking to pay the guy. The casino is looking to make it look fun while you get screwed.
much. And then give you a steak on top of it. Like, here's a steak.
Yeah,
You
you
know.
lost $2,000, but enjoy a meal voucher.
Well, let's look at the market here, see what we got. Let me zoom out here. Alrighty, well, we're currently above the VWAP. VWAP for me on the 2-minute chart sitting right around 347, 347. That 21 EMA is sitting right around 383 area, 383.50. Good morning, Travis. We got a pivot point down here at 316.25 below us. The close from yesterday, 461.75. 461.75 is the close from yesterday. And the pivot above that, 640.25. Yeah, I always say this, man, that pivot up there is real high. I wonder if we could ever get there, and then we always go and smack stuff. So
I know it's like, or you just you're so into the journey, and all of a sudden it's like tapping you on the shoulder. Hey, man, right here.
So I'm honestly today just hoping to have some cleaner movement where I could get in and out pretty quick today without getting chopped, because I myself, I have to learn and grow with trading just like you guys. And I told myself I'm gonna start naming my account. Why? Not because I just want to have a random name on each account, but to make it more real to myself. You know what I'm saying? So last night, on last night's stream, I put down my list of all the names for the accounts that I'm working on. So that way each one is for something. One's for the bills, one's for buying a bigger house, like the whole
Oh
shebang.
yeah, I got you. I wasn't sure if you were naming them. Like, this one's Hezekiah.
No. Just naming like what the purpose for it's for.
Name and claim, man.
So that way when I'm trading, I'm not thinking of just want to jump in because I'm thinking of the end result.
Yeah. You're not 869455259 or whatever. It doesn't mean the same.
Exactly.
That's
Unless they're like
smart, man.
86954.
995441692. Oh.
Because I do rotate accounts but I want to make it more
Well,
real,
putting,
more
yeah,
real
you're
at the end
you're
of the day.
putting something in your vision with it. That's a good idea.
Because anything to overcome the psychology of trading, I'm for. So
Oh
I'm like,
yeah, no,
huh?
I mean that is huge. It's like you could say that every day and you still wouldn't wear it out. It's like the psychology is where it's at.
Yep.
I mean, there's thousands of ideas how to make it, but it just like if you can't master what's in between your ears, it doesn't matter.
Yep.
And it's just like it's like the way the markets are going. A couple of times, even with your system that's proven, and I've seen it. It's like if it starts chopping, you're gonna have a red. So it's like you come back and you say, you're not gonna second guess everything. You're just gonna say, okay, let's proceed.
Yep. But I'm excited. Good morning times. Honestly, no clue, bro. No clue if we're going up or down. We're here for the ride, though.
I love asking that question because you always elude
It's not that I'm eluding it, but I don't know. The market does what the market wants to do. And I'm not that guy that's going to sit here and go, oh, yeah, it's going to definitely be going up today. Or it's definitely going, no. Whatever direction it moves in, it's going to move. We're just here to make money during those moves. That's it. And that's how I stay even keeled, I feel, because I honestly don't care what direction it moves in.
Yeah, me neither. I just want it to move.
Exactly.
Because I mean, the thing is, the worst is, like when I came in last night, I asked you that same question because I was looking at the chart as I said it, so there's humor in it. And you're like, it's right where it was, like when we left, like 10 hours ago, within 15 points. It's like,
and that's horrible. That was horrible. So it popped up and then went right back to that range we were in during yesterday's session.
Yeah, because when I scrolled over, I saw one of the horizontal lines, and it was like right there. It was like, whoa.
Hey, gotta love the market. Gotta love the market. We had news at 8:30 today. Just looking at this, don't see any. It didn't do anything big, I'll say. It really didn't move the markets in a crazy way. Right now, maybe we'll come down, test this VWAP, the 347.25 level. Potentially. We're just going to wait and see. Wait and see.
Wait and see.
Because I had checked myself. I checked myself yesterday. Because I want for the month of March a 20K payout. Like, that's my goal for March, a 20K payout. But I also told myself, if it takes me the entire month to get that payout, I gotta be okay with that. Like, I can't, get mad if it takes an extra week. I can't get mad if it doesn't happen right when I want it to happen. As long as it happens, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? So, I already told myself, this week, I was trying to put extra pressure on myself for no dang reason. But I'm like, look, if it takes me another week to get all 10 accounts fully funded, I gotta be okay with that. Because my goal is bigger than just getting these passed. I want the 20K payout for the month of March. In March, there's over 30 days. So I can't get mad if it happens on day 29 of March. As long as it happens, we're good.
Yeah, you don't want to psych yourself out. I gotta do it, and then you start clicking buttons.
Exactly. So I'm excited. I'm still excited for this year. We're moving definitely in the right direction. Because each month my goal is just to level up. Each and every month, I'm just trying to level up better than the month before. How many subs? Let's take a look. As it sits right now, we're at 1964. We're at 1964. So we'll either hit the 2K tonight or tomorrow. I keep feeling like I'm saying that each night, but this week has been chopping a lot of people, so there has been as many people looking at trading stuff at night. I shouldn't be laughing at that. I've been getting chopped up myself, but
you can't laugh, you cry, and it's just like you gotta be able to have the strength to come back the next day.
Yeah, but it's fun. I should not say it's funny, but it's easy to see when people are having a good week or bad week in the market, because when everyone's having a great week, everyone's like on streams. But when everyone's having a bad week, everyone's like, nah, I ain't even talking about trading. I don't even want to look at trading. There's the VWAP. There's market open as well. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, wow, yeah. So
He's getting ready to come on and say he just made $15,000. I'm waiting for it.
Yeah, geez, like, that's 42,000.
We came real close to that pivot point. Same pivot from yesterday, believe it or not.
I can believe it.
All right. Ooh, straight through that pivot. We got the overnight low down here as well. Are we getting ready to swipe that? If we swipe the overnight low on the first, like, 2 minutes of market open, oh, Nellies. That's all I'm going to say. Oh, Nellies. Good morning, Iz. I know Moose is looking for his retracement.
Oh, yeah. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
We just bounced off the 4-hour EMA, so... Oh, no, no, I didn't. Did it? I don't know.
I don't know. Whatever you say, Moose. It sounds good.
Oh, yeah, it did. I don't know.
Look at the wick on the 5 minute. That says enough right there.
Hey, everybody, go short right now. Don't do it. Look, that's a joke. Looking at that wick, you don't want to short into a massive buying wick. Just saying. Listen, I've done it plenty of times trying to figure out how to trade, and guess what happens? You normally lose money when you do that. We're back above that pesky pivot from yesterday.
The pesky pivot.
Yeah, the pesky pivot.
That sounds like one of those books your kids have, like, in the first grade. The pesky pivot.
The pesky pivot.
Hey, Duane, before I gotta go, it's a Saturday, right? We're good?
Yes, we should be good for Saturday.
Okay.
I'll let you know later today, because I was supposed to be flying out tomorrow. But I've been dealing with some stuff in one of the businesses.
Okay.
So I'm not that guy that could just like travel knowing you're dealing with something in one of your businesses.
No, for sure.
So I gotta see if I could get it resolved today. If I do, I may be flying out tomorrow.
You don't enjoy your time and then you start stressing out.
Exactly.
Or it's like it's in your mind the whole time, and you're on the phone. Nah. The Duane I know can take in a scene and make it his.
This is nice. Where's it going? I didn't know where it's from.
Bro, come on, Moose, you always know. Where are you looking?
We're gonna swipe the 264. I feel like we're gonna go down there and swipe that 264.50. And once we do that, or 264.75 actually, will be that actual mark. 264.75. But hey, maybe we could build a bear flag down here.
actually see flags today?
Oh, never mind. It said bump the bear flag. We're just dropping. So there we go. We just took out the overnight low right there. Great. I got 11 more minutes. 11 more minutes, Duane. You got this. You got this. Alrighty. Let's see here. We swiped that overnight low. Right now, the low this 15 sitting at 256. 256. I want to see if we could build like a little bear flag. Personally, I would like to get some flag plays today because I'm trying to stay safe in the markets, as safe as possible. Good morning, DL. Ten more minutes. Less than 10 minutes. You got this. You got this, bro.
Talk to yourself.
I'm doing that right now. I'm talking to myself. I'm acting like you guys aren't even here right now. Duane, you can wait less than 10 more minutes to execute a trade, even though this thing's like dumping. Even though, like, don't look at the dump. Don't look at the dump.
Oh, we might be going down. You're right. We have a whole lot to fill.
Well, at this point, let me zoom out so I can see where we may be trying to go.
Talk to me, Moose.
Gee, I know you made some money. I know you made some money, bro.
He's like 42,000 and one account.
We're gonna bounce off 202, 201.
Okay, close to that whole number.
Area.
Okay.
Yeah. I see the number there.
Are you in, Moose?
I think he's gonna drop down to that.
I just want to see a flag. Like, that's all. Want it simple. Slow and steady is slow and steady, bro. Base hit it. Base hit it.
We're gonna go down there. Yeah, what a drop. It is hits. Oh, man. Do we have a retracement? Let me see.
I don't feel like this is
We don't have too many retracement yet, so you gotta be careful for that. It's gonna come soon. Too many retracement, but I think we are gonna go down to like 203, 201.
I just moved my doodle down. I just moved the doodle down. Because we've definitely had a lot of selling pressure so far for the market. Current low for the 15 is 22450, 22450. And let me give you guys a high for this 15 because I don't feel like we're going to go back up there and try testing it. 342. 342 is the high of the 15-minute range. Let's see if those numbers hold. I feel like we'll probably lose this 224 level, 22450. But that's just me. That's just me, folks. Unless the market makers do a crazy retracement.
Oh, what was that word again? I love that word.
A crazy retracement?
I'm telling you, Moose is in. He's not answering questions, right?
What? Say it again? Sorry. No, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the charts. Say it again?
Well, I just was wondering if you were in earlier because you were so quiet after a second.
No. I'm not in. By the time I turned on the thing, I felt like it dropped a lot. Yeah, let me show. Something else will come up.
Yeah, respect to you for that, man. Respect to everybody.
This might be the 2-minute retrace right here. 2-minute candle.
I just want to stay away from that pesky pivot up there.
That pesky pivot.
That pesky pivot.
You see, boom, come in. Calm down.
Looking like a bear flag right now, the 2-minute. But the bears definitely had to drop it below that green candle. We do have some buying pressure down here just from that previous candle wick on the 5-minute. That wants to clear out.
Yep, see? That was 2-minute retrace right there.
All right, less than 5 minutes to win. You got this. You got this, bro. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're staying disciplined. You're not clicking buttons yet. I just hope it doesn't do what it's done all week. A nice little momentum move right at market open, and then it goes to drop.
It's like it warms you up. Okay, we're gonna do something, and then it's like, womp, womp, womp.
All right, yeah. Let the bulls and bears keep playing tug of war right now with the price. I'm fine with that. It makes it easier for me to sit on the sidelines right now. Has anyone made money yet today? G's quiet, so.
He probably like counting all this cash right now. Give the man a second. I mean, I just love how all of a sudden he pops in and it's just like, yes.
Not gonna lie to y'all, I'm like super excited for my Europe trip. Because I'll literally be able to start my day in the morning and trade with you guys in the afternoon, since I'll be 5 hours ahead.
Yeah, it'll be better than when it's like crack of dawn and it's like you're not even fully awake and it's like, okay, we got to do this session.
Yeah, no. Well, it looks like that 22450 is going to hold for the low of the 15-minute range, potentially. Just with how the price movement's not moving right now, so. Let me say some things to maybe spark a response from the market. It's not going back to that 224. Coming down to my yellow line. Oof. Oof.
It must have heard you.
It's trying to listen. It's trying to listen today. So that's better than what it's been. right, waiting for 9:46 here. Waiting for 9:46. We got 30 seconds for 9:45. Your boy is itching to click the button. Not gonna lie. Look at those buying wicks on those 5-minute candles right there. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe today in the markets.
I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Like, I need to get that other account.
They're actually really fast.
Yeah, I mean, it happened this morning. I wasn't sure, but I do have my other accounts that are self-funded.
Okay.
But I don't know how much I'm gonna put myself out there on my self-funded.
Yeah.
Unless it's like A++.
Well, just made a new low. 214.75, 214.75. That's going to be the low of the 15-minute range today. 214.75 is the low for the 15-minute range here, because we got 4 seconds and the range is fully completed. There we go. That range is now set. 214.75 for the low. Let me bring my doodle over and patiently wait. Patiently wait. We would like to see an A++ setup today. Ooh, look at that. Looking at that 1 minute there.
Oh, shit.
There's G. Still don't like these buying wigs, personally. I want to see some good follow through. Ciao. Well, welcome. Where are you tuning in from?
What was that?
Whistle?
That's what it sounded like. I was just kind of like, does Tony have a parakeet in here?
I heard it too. Brett, don't overtrade if you're up for the day, bro. Take your win. Take your win.
Oh.
Bari? No, I'm not too familiar. What country is that at? Italia. Nice. Florida. In the USA.
In the USA. If we lose this and start in south, what's our next target?
I would want us to break out this 15 first, and then I'll be able to call out the first target.
Got it.
Because right now my first target's all the way down there at 151. All right, we just broke out the 15-minute range there. Howdy from Texas. What's up, fam? I want more follow through right here on my yellow line so I could possibly jump in. But I'm not just trying to jump in either. I used the 2 minute, the 1 minute, and the 5 minute.
That's 201.
Awesome moose.
Well, touch my area code.
I'm waiting because we're playing with breaking out and then popping in.
Oh man, it's playing hard to get. Girl.
Yeah,
they
11
reminded me of
seconds.
yesterday. You get a little bit of momentum, and it's like, okay, we're gonna go, and then it's like, psych.
And then I would take it because I wanted the follow through, then not get the follow through and get chopped. No bueno.
Oh,
No bueno.
No bueno. And right there, I wanted to take the short, but I didn't jump in yet because same thing like happened all week. We have not been getting the full follow through.
Oh, that's crazy. What the heck? I was looking at the wrong time track.
Yeah, make sure you're looking at the right charts, folks, because Moose was not.
He was actually reading the morning paper.
I looked at the time. I'm like, man, this kind of has a lot of time. Got a couple hours. Oh, no, there you go. 201, touching. Let's go. Come on.
There's the breakout once again. Tap
Man.
my yellow line. But I need follow through.
You're in a sell or buy?
I was in a short. I'm like, I need follow through. I click the button and then it pops up slightly. So let's see if we get the full flush here.
We will. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get the 201. Oh.
Come on.
Oh. Positive. Let's go.
I closed it positive.
I'm
still not trusting because we're having issues fully breaking out here.
How many contracts you got?
Oh, that was 2 contracts.
2 contracts. Oh,
First target. 151. 151.
Oh, it touched. Was about to touch.
So I'm gonna hold till we get through this whole number, the 200 level, because I'm not trying to get chopped up because the market moves wacky at those whole numbers.
Baby. Sorry.
No, you good, fam. You good. I'm glad you're excited, bro. I'm glad you're excited.
Now we're gonna pop up a little bit.
Hopefully not. I want a waterfall. I want to see a waterfall today. A legit waterfall.
That's a big drop all the way down there, though. Jeez. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're below that 200 level. I'll probably be looking for a trade once we get down to like 190. Since that'll give us like a 10 point from that 200 level.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh.
All right, there's the 190. I would like to see a flag.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Moose can definitely call them.
Yes.
I don't call him the Mooser for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, I think you're the only one in the world that calls him a mooser.
that is true. I am
You
probably
know?
the only one in the world that calls him the Mooser.
Because he said Steve don't even start that shit, so I'm like, okay.
Move my yellow line down.
Yeah, this is coming. Where we at?
We're currently sitting close to that 200. We're playing up there. We're playing around that 200 level. That's why I like getting away from those whole numbers. The past 2 candles right now, we got some buying wicks on them. Back into the 15-minute range right there.
Oh, it touched 118. 180, I'm sorry.
188.
Oh, it touched 188?
Yeah.
I was like 118. What are you looking at?
What chart are you looking at, sir?
That's like
He may be from the future.
Oh. She said the black man.
Let me rotate. One. Oh, that was awesome. Even better. I need some clean movement so I can hit my $1,000 for today. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. I've not been keeping the bills away the past couple days. Come on, Betsy. Looking like a potential. I need some more bears to step in here and make a bear flag. Let's drop below this 15 range. Maybe I'll take a short. But we got that 200 level, so your boy's gonna hold and wait, hold and wait.
Hold and wait.
Pop back out of the 15 right there. Bull stepped in pretty quick. We're right here, literally at the low of this. All right, there we go. Back into the low of the 15-minute range. Come on, give us a nice flushy flush. I need me a waterfall. We haven't had a legit waterfall in quite a while. Starting to look heavy. Watching my Rincos, watch my yellow line as well. Starting to lose that 200 level. Made new lows right there. Let's see if we stair step down. That 200 level. I ain't trying to get chopped on the 200.
Keep in mind that it's a minute until 10 o'clock.
Ooh, good call out, Steve. I was not even looking at this clock right there. I'm probably going to put a clock like right in front of me, even though it's right on my computer screen. A nice big one, so that way I can never miss the time.
That's fun.
Less than 30 seconds for 10. Less than 30 seconds for 10. Yeah, see, Brett? That's why Steve came in clutch, man. Let us know the time. There's 10 o'clock right there.
Wham.
Yep. Without fail. Without fail. That 10 o'clock always does something weird.
Yeah, maybe it'll do enough weirdness to shock it a little bit past this whole number.
There's a slight news, nothing major, but at 10 as well.
Well, that would have just came out.
He's talking about the next 10 o'clock.
No, there was a news, just like a yellow folder. My next zone, I have it at 149. Well, that's the top of it. So the bottom of that zone is 125.
Okay. I just closed that. Quick 110 right there.
Nice.
Not liking the dance because we keep making new lows and then popping up slightly.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I wish I would have stayed on that one. Just saying. Alrighty.
Funny. Oh, well, hey. Oh man,
We're about to hit that 151. That was my original target.
Yeah, I'm on there, 149. That's what? Come on, bro. Yeah,
There we go. Now at this point, I feel like we're going to go and just go straight to that pivot. Straight craziness. Straight craziness.
Next inside that zone is 124. 124.
I got 25,087.50 for my next target. 25,087.50 for my next target. Let's see if we build a little flaggy flag. Take us lower. I want to stay below this 151 level just to make it a little bit cleaner for us. Jason, you just click the button, bro. What you consider the pivot? The pivot is 137.50. 137.50. Brett. And it's my pivots automatically get placed. I don't have to do anything with that. They were key support and resistance zones from previous sessions. Let's see if we build us a little bear flag. We are above that 151 level, which I want to stay below. But let's see if we get a flag. The market traumatizes a lot of people, Izzy. The whole thing is to overcome the being traumatized, you have to trust your system. And once you can actually trust your system, if it consistently works for you, you'll be set. We got less than a minute left on this 5-minute candle. See if we build us a little bear flag. Let's look at the 1 minute. See what the one. Ooh, that 1 minute.
Oh boy.
Market, you're heading in the wrong direction, sir.
This is the grand retracement.
Hopefully we stay below the 200 level. I would like us to stay below the 200.
I think it'll go up to 230 and then we trade back down because 230, no, yeah, 231.
I feel like we're getting a bear flag on the 1 minute and potentially the 2 minute right now. Goes to that yellow line. If we have follow through, I'm taking it. Good job, Travis. Made $400. Good job, bro. Come on, Betsy. Slightly consolidating right here. Patience, folks. It's easy to click the button. It's hard to wait for the move. We may actually head up if we don't break the yellow line, because if we break the bottom yellow line, then we're heading down. We break this top yellow line, we're going up. So I'm ready in either direction. If I get follow through up top or bottom, as long as we got follow through.
Now you're hitting it like it's real.
Oh, it is real.
189. If we go above 188, I think we're gonna go up. Right now we're still below the 1 minute EMA. So that's a good look.
I'm glad it's looking good.
Oh yeah, I thought you were in.
No. We have not broken my yellow line in either direction. So I'm patiently waiting for us to break in either direction here. Because we got that pivot below us as well at the 137.50 level. So that's the only thing, like, I don't want, if I take the short, I don't want us tapping that pivot and then rebounding right off of it.
Yep.
Come on, market, decide what you're going to do.
Look at how tight those candles are.
Oh, crazy tight. Something got to break.
Yeah, that's definitely this way.
Consolidation on the 2, on the 1.
Consolidation happens before the real move. Before the move, consolidation happens.
Before the boom.
Hey, it could be a rocket ship or a waterfall. I just want some movement.
Why not a sinkhole?
Why not a sinkhole?
No, yeah, you don't want to speak that over Central Florida.
We came down. We're almost at my yellow line.
I was having a conversation with someone the other day, and I told them that we have the most sinkholes in the state, right? And when I first moved here, some guy was in like I think in Ocala or something. He was sleeping and a sinkhole opened up and he fell into a sinkhole with his whole house, or partial house. And you know the New York Times, the headline for the newspaper in New York Times said "Sucked to death in bed."
That's crazy.
Well, that's the way to go.
I remember when a sinkhole opened up by my parents' old neighborhood, and we drove over to see it.
Yeah, over here, like Mary one opened up too a while ago. I mean, not too big, maybe like 10 feet. But very well they can get, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was the New York Times headlines, yo.
Yeah, and then there was one on I-4 that was right by Lake Mary exit. I remember that. That was like 20 years ago. And they had to like close like 2 of the lanes. They kept trucking in all this dirt. It was insane.
That's crazy. Is it because the dirt shifts?
Well, there's aquifers underneath there. We have all these springs.
Oh, okay. They say that Florida is realistically is marshland, right?
Yeah, most of it.
That's crazy. We're here paying $1 million homes. You know that there's a town where I'm from, right down the hill from me, literally, like 5 minutes. It's called Edgewater. You'll pay top dollar to live there, top dollar, because it has the best New York City skyline view, right? And back when I was growing up, all it had was like a hospital, you know, maybe 2 or 3 like little restaurants, right? Like mom and pop places.
Yeah.
And we used to go dirt bugging on it, and it was just factories. It was beat up. Nobody wanted to buy there. Now, you buy a condo, it's over $1 million. A condo.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
One of the times I was in New York, there was like a place that was like old. I want to say it was like a pencil factory or something, and they turned it into these like really fancy high-end apartments. It was insane.
In Jersey City?
It was somewhere over there.
Because there's a, you know, what is that pencil factory called? Ticonderoga?
Yeah, it was down over there.
Yes, right by the Holland Tunnel. Well, they made that into lofts, luxury lofts.
Yeah, so I was over there, and it was crazy. But that was like, man, now it's going back.
Oh, we're coming down.
Yeah, let me rotate to the next account. Took a trade on that one, 570. We'll gladly take that.
I have a zone at
second target 87.25. Getting ready to get hit. There we go. 24,000 is looking like it's up for grabs.
Did you just say 87.25?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm bugging. I'm thinking 800. I'm like, where the hell are you? Like, yo, am I in the right charts?
So once we hit that 87.25 again, I'll call it the next target. I'm just happy we're getting some movement today.
I have one at 82.
Okay.
We're about the same, you know? Like, just slight difference.
Yeah, we're looking for different targets.
I know, whichever one we got to bail out on first.
Facts. I need this to push down just slightly so I can get this third target for the day. Warren, I use on TradingView the Lux Algo Orban targets. Lux Algo Orban targets for the 15-minute range. And it gives you your targets from the 15-minute range. But like right now, it won't show me the third target until we get below the second target. There we go. Third target is 25,023.75. 23.75 would be the next one. Yeah, Brad, it's feeling way better than earlier this week. I'll say that. Let's see if we can get a flag. Give me the flag. Stop just dropping. Give me a little bit more of a push up.
Next zone, I see at 45. Yo, damn, yo, this is nice. We can drop that. Oh, we hit? And we're continuing. Shit.
940 on that one. Base hit today, bro. I'm just happy we're getting movement. Like, you guys have no idea how happy I'm that we're just getting movement today. Like, and that's real. Oh, go ahead, Rob. Man, $1,000 a day. Go ahead, boy. All right, let's go this account. Which one's this one? So we're real close to my third target here. So I'll probably wait till we hit that 23.75, 23.75. There we go. Fourth target for the day. Jesus. 960.25, 960.25, boys. We're getting a waterfall. We're getting a waterfall this morning. I would like to see a flag, though.
Duane would like to see a flag, ladies and gentlemen. Give him the flag.
Did something come out? Because the way this is dropping aggressively makes me feel like something got put on X, something.
Yeah, really.
I'm excited for the movement, but oh, thank you, Brett. I do not like how we're just dropping. That's where you kind of just scratch your head. Like, we're excited we're putting money in accounts, but it's also like, hold up, why are we dropping right now? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right now these Rincos are looking heavy. Yeah, I wish I knew why they're heavy right now. Hey, whatever works, Rob. Whatever works. As long as we're printing, we're happy. Getting ready to make new loads again. We are, yeah, we're right here at this 25,000. Let's get it a little bit away from that 25,000.
Yeah, that's a double. That's a double number right there.
Guys, I gotta go. I'm running late, actually.
Have a good one, Moose.
Yeah,
right there.
See you guys later. Tomorrow, listen, tomorrow I have a busy day, so I won't be on.
All right, we'll talk about you.
All right.
All right.
It's all good. It's all good.
Always, always.
All the bad things are true.
Have a good one, brother.
Rob's saying possibly going back to the previous day low. Well, we're well below that already for the previous day low. So tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, Brett. I know you're ahead in the future, but tomorrow's actually Friday. Came down to the 4 target here. Coming down to the 4 target. Let's let that get hit, and I'm waiting to see what the next target is. Oh, S&P, okay. I'm like, oh, on the Nasdaq, we're well below. All right, there we go. Just hit the 4 target there. 5th target, 89675. 89675. Travis, I need a flag too, but right now this thing's just dumping. I said I want a waterfall. and we're getting it today. I personally would like a little push up, just a slight push up. You know what I'm saying? But if we don't, we don't. Let me switch over to that account now. But today's movement is chicken noodle soup for the soul. You know what I'm saying? Like, we've been having such trash price movement for the past 4 days. Today was needed. Tons of selling pressure right now. Jesus. Tons of selling pressure. That 2-minute candle on the trading view looks crazy right now. Close that one. Let me switch over to some Lucid accounts. Reminder, we have our 5th target for today, 89650. 89650.
You got a black screen if you don't know.
Oh, thank you, Steve.
Hey, you're welcome. We gonna get a flag, Dwayne?
Right now, it's just waterfalling.
I know.
I know we asked for a waterfall, but we would
Right.
like a structured waterfall.
Anarchy, please.
Cam, we're putting money in accounts today. We're putting money in accounts today, thankfully. It's music for the soul, or chicken noodle soup for the soul. Travis, enjoy your wins, bro. Enjoy your wins. Let's see if we get a flag here. I think we're due for a flag, right? I think we're due for a flag at this point. Let's see if we stay below our 4th target here, which was at 960.25. Coming down to my yellow line. If we break that yellow line with follow through, I'll jump in. But we gotta break it with follow through. Good job, Smooth. Happy for you, bro. Here comes the yellow line. There's the tap of the yellow line. We just made a new low right there as well. We got that 900 level. 900 level. Twiz, we all took a beat in the past couple days. We're all back in the saddle. You're not alone, brother. Glad you're winning today, hopefully. We made that low at the 900 level, but instantly got bought up. So I did not take the short because we did not have follow through yet. We do have some buying pressure down here. We gotta get below that 900 level with momentum for the short. Big target, like I said, 89650, 89650. All right, we just tapped our fourth target. It was above us. If we don't stay below the fourth target right now, I may go for a long here. I want to see how we react on that fourth target. Still below it. We popped up above it, but instantly sold off right there. Watching the Rincos dance. We may end up getting a slight retracement here. Let's see. Bear stepping in, showing that selling pressure. So Bear still want to take us lower. Look at how they just flipped that candle. Ooh wee. Coming down to my yellow line. Let's see if we tap it with follow through. Need some momentum. Here comes, oh, we tapped it. New candle's a green candle. Highly recommend not taking a short on a green candle. Just saying.
Words of advice. For each one, don't take a short on a green candle.
Well, you can, but
yeah, well, if it's flag or a flag and it's gonna go, but.
All right, we just went through my yellow line. Made a new low as well. The dance is real right now. Let's see if this flag pays us here. Come on, Betsy. Let's clear these buyers out right here to take us lower. I closed that. We didn't get the follow through right there. I know, isn't that crazy, Brad? 339 points. Wild time to be alive. Wild time to be alive. Oh, really good movement today. Is this going to be the flush that I'm waiting for? Actually, I'm going to move this doodle down. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting for us to break the yellow line and I'll take the short again. I just didn't want to be in drawdown, so I just closed it. So right here, our fifth target has some buoyancy to it. I want to get below our fifth target here. Because right now, this fifth target, lots of buying pressure right here. If we don't get through 885, we may start to push up. Well, there we go. Went through the 885. What type of movement's that? that fifth target where we were buoyant earlier at. Let's see if we get through it again here. If not, I'm just going to close this. This is 150K eval with Lucid. Yeah, I'm cutting that. The bulls just flipped that candle. So with how they did that, honestly, I'm expecting us to start possibly a push up here. Let's see if we stay above this 900. Bear stepping in once again. I'm just not trusting it right here. We got a lot of buying pressure up here. Wait, how did I didn't close? What in the world?
What happened?
Let me check something. We definitely want a flag, Dio. But I feel like we're going to start pushing.
Then we'll get her on the upside too.
Yep. We don't care if we're going up or down. We can make money on both sides. So 900 on that one. Let's see if there's any. Let's see here. This is an Evo. Let me switch to this one. I thought I blew this one, so we're going to see if they just haven't taken it off. I would like to see a bull flag now. Even if we put it like in this direction. That previous candle has no wick on top, so sellers have not stepped in yet. Yeah. That's what I thought. They just haven't taken it off the dashboard. That one, that one. Let me rotate through these real quick just to make sure I hit all of them. Good. Good. Let's see if we get a little bull flag. I think we all would appreciate a nice bull flag.
Yeah, that'd be great.
We got that 21 EMA up there as well. Give us the flaggy flag. Let me drop down to the 1 minute, see what we got. Almost have that 21 EMA right there. I closed out, but there's the 21 EMA chat. That's what I was looking at. That's why I jumped in for a quick long right there. Didn't like the price movement, but still made something on it. Yeah, but right now we're starting to try pushing up slightly, but we definitely did a waterfall today. I think I'm actually going to be done actually trading today. You know, base hit it and keep it moving. Base hit it, keep it moving. That's it. Stick and move. Stick and move. Unless this is going to be one big old bear flag on the 5 minute. That was the quick little retracement. Travis, I'm glad it's clicking, bro. Once you start seeing them, you can never stop seeing them. That's the cool thing about it. Once you start seeing them, you can never unsee them. And it's funny for me, right? There'll be other traders online like, oh yeah, talking about different gaps, everything like that. But then if you look inside of what they're talking about, you'll see a flag. You're like, huh, what you're talking about, what you were looking for did happen, but there was a whole bull flag or there was a whole bear flag. Like there's, I forget what influencer it was. He was like teaching someone how to trade, and he was saying all these big fancy words, everything like that. He says, yeah, when I saw like us hit this level, I knew it was going to keep going up. And then I looked at it, it was like a whole bull flag. I'm like, bro, you couldn't just teach the guy a bull flag and a bear flag? Like, if you keep it simple, you get simple results. Looks like we're still pushing. Like, I want to take another trade. I want to. But on all my Tradify accounts, I'm green. So I'm like, why risk it for the biscuit?
Were you serving biscuits?
Potentially. I'm just going through all these real quick to see. What number was that? 419. No, I'll probably leave that one. Only put 200 in, but still a base hit. 977. Yeah, no. I'll keep this on just in case, but enjoy your workout, Rob. Workout for the both of us. Appreciate you, fam. Is this going to be another flaggy flag? Right there. We got this third target. There's the third target pushing through there. We're hanging out around this 21 EMA right now. Good job, Times. Base hit it. Travis, definitely have to trust yourself, fam. That's the only way you win at this. I'm just happy we got some good movement today. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between, folks. Make sure you tune in to vibe up with us. Let's see. Where's that one at? Let's see our counter. We may be hitting tonight or tomorrow the 2K subs. And once we hit it, we're giving away a brand new standing desk. The same desk that I trade from right here. I'm giving a new one away. So make sure you're on those streams so that way you can potentially win. Yep, so our third target here, our third target, which is at 25,024. It's acting as got some selling pressure up there. So the bulls want to get through it, but they got to get through that area with momentum for it to keep going up here. Bro, you should, man. And those, like the one I got, I literally bought it off Amazon, bro. I've had these panels. They were in my old house. Ripped them off the wall and brought them with me.
Your old house doesn't have a wall now. It's actually a Florida room. On the second floor, yes.
No, my old house does still have the wall. It just doesn't have the panels anymore. No. It's a PVC panel. If you go on like Amazon, bro, just look up like accent wall panels and they'll have tons of them that you could choose from. Right now, the 2 minute looking like a potential. I don't like how it looks on the Ninja Trade, but on the trading view, if the bears step in, it's going to be a bear flag. That would be it right there. That's if they stepped in though, but I'm done taking trades. Today was a good recovery day, I would say, to help get that mojo and confidence back since it has been a red day the past couple days. Yeah, we're below this 21 EMA right now as well. Wind underneath my wings. I didn't know I was a bird, Brett. But I'll fly high. Yeah, got the wind underneath my wings. I'm flapping now. Yep, look it up, Travis. They got tons of them, bro. Tons of them. It's a cool way to like upgrade your space without doing like actual hard work to put it up. Alright, we're breaking below my yellow line. We did not have the follow through right there. Bulls trying to protect it. Have a good one, Travis.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Mitch?
Hey, welcome.
Oh, down.
All right.
Another day in paradise, bro.
Yeah. Are we having good results on the markets this morning or no?
For the most part, I just took an extra trade on this eval. Closing it right there. I was up $200. Just gave it all back. Craziness and loss. So having the stream in the background has helped me slow down while trading. Warrior, I'm glad it helped you slow down, bro. We don't have to be madmen out here. We do not have to be madmen. It's easy to click the button. Trust me. I just did it. Oh. It's hard to wait for the move. Huh? Yeah. Which faction? Yeah, that works. You on the dry side? No. What? I don't remember that. Yeah. She's in the garage getting the wet vac, so no clue what she's doing. I'm gonna be jumping off here at 11. I gotta go run around. I gotta help one of my managers take some of our patrol cars to the tire shop. They caught some nails on one of the sites, so we gotta get those plugged.
Oh. Was
The
it
joys,
malicious?
the joys.
Was it like malicious or was it just like?
No, just driving through the property, caught some nails. So, well, hopefully it wasn't malicious, but we'll see. With that, folks, I'll see you guys tonight for the Traders
All right.
Hangout, 9:30 p.m.
Take it easy, baby.
Yep, stay safe in the markets, boys, and I'll catch y'all later. Be blessed, everyone.
All right, later.
Have a good one, Brad. Have a good one, everybody. Talk to y'all tonight. Be blessed.